Hi guys, welcome to the video. Quick math, let's try it again. Um, so I made a video introducing sigma notation, and I feel like it was just a little bit too fast, right? So I decided to make the video and yeah, just go in depth. Just go a little bit slower this time and make sure that you fully understand because I care about that more than anything, right? So yeah, pardon me if you can hear the rain. It is raining indeed. It's raining cats and dogs. Ooh, that was, yeah, you should use that next time on your essay, on your English essay. Just say it's raining cats and dogs, and your teacher would be like, oh my god, oh my god, Sipo, you are good. All right, that was okay. Let me start. I think I'm going off topic. Right. So now I told you, you might have seen the video. I told you that when you have something like this, the first step would be trying to identify the number of terms, right? So we do that by saying n is equal to top minus bottom plus 1, right? And the top that we are referring to is this one, and the bottom is this one. So you substitute. It's going to be 13 minus 1 plus 1. So the number of terms that we have in this series are going to be 1, 3, right? All right, now for step number 2, we are going to expand this whole thing right here, this sigma notation, because sigma notation is like a fancy way of writing uh, the series, right? So, but we are going to simplify it by expanding it and turning it into real terms. Now I have substituted 3 terms in the original equation, which was this one, and we are now going to turn this into real terms by typing this all in the calculator. All right, welcome to step number 3, and we are trying to identify if this series is geometric or it's arithmetic. So just like I told you guys, for geometric, when we are, all right, now let me do this real quick because I want you guys to remember this every time. When we are dealing with geometric, we use R, and the R is for ratio. But when we are dealing with arithmetic, we use D, and D is for the constant difference, right? The ratio has to be constant as well. It cannot be, you know, like the first difference of a quadratic. It has to be constant. The numbers have to be sharp. Now, for us to find the ratio of a geometric series, we would have to do something like this. We would say T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over T2. Now, the T stands for term, right? It's like, yeah, term 2 over term 1 is equal to term 3 over term 2, right? So, we substitute in real values. So, we are going to say 4.5 over 3 is equal to 6 over 4.5. I don't want to conclude just yet, but I want to show you something. For the difference of an arithmetic, we do something like this. We say T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, right? So wherever we see T2, we substitute this number. So it's going to be 4.5 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 4.5, right? So let me simplify this real quick and I'll get back to you now. All right, I'm back like Michael, and Now we are trying to find out if this one is an arithmetic or a geometric series, right? So we are going to do something like this. We are going to look at these and try to see if they are the same. If they are not the same, then it means we are wrong, right? So this one is not equal to this one. We are going to say, right? Now remember, in your exam you can only do one. I mean, but if you want to, you can do both. Now it looks like we're winning because this is equal to this one. So our D is equal to 3 over 2. But let us prove this, right? Let us prove this and say 6. We are trying to find this term right here. We are trying to find this term right here. This is term number 4. Right, let me do this. This is term number 4. If we get this one correct, then it means everything is correct, right? So we are going to say 6 plus 3 over 2. It's 7.5. All right, let's see if it's 7.5. All right, I'm gonna write this one here. Let me write it here. 7.5. Right, so we are going to substitute in term number 4 in this one and try to see if we were correct. It's 3 over 2. Then we, oh, why? All right, now we are going to type in term number 4. What? Oh, 4 minus 1. All right, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I made sure that this time I'm a little bit slower so no one is getting lost. All right, I'm gonna see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.